wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Brahma Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back. Welcome back, viewers. Okay, welcome once again. People have been saying Roddy, me myself, what I've been calling you is Roddy. So when we say Roddy, why name you Roddy? Roddy no name one.
Idi Roddy. I-R-O-W-D-Y.
Perfect.
If you be neighbor.
If you be chain.
If you be chain.
Why chain?
You're some artist be or American.
Okay.
Yeah, you know. Roddy Rich.
Oh, okay. Roddy Rich. So you are also rich. You know that.
Yes, I'm a dada. Why? Danny got away. Or against us like me feeling the vibe beyond.
So what's your real name?
Me have some real name Francis.
Francis. Okay. So prefer to use that.
Yeah, say like like you know. And you might want us like and you know 2 minutes 20. Say be a movie I'm never to which boys na boys in this side.
Oh, okay.
So I'm sure this I come.
That's good. How did you do?
Okay.
We are then no about true one. Obi owa. So you could be a if you be so and then be so. It's all the it's true. Who? How did you get her?
Okay, me getting into Halfring Films now. And say as a man, but the man is we didn't be real now. Okay. You look show baby. I think that some movie industry be epic. Yeah, you want to should be into you know share one. But I think say you know I said I'm for that movie industry. Yeah, nice. Any maybe share with one.
Mama,
Yeah, I signed sense. Oh, yeah, you know, science,
oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So, how did you feel your face sitting behind the camera?
Okay. Now I feel shy, kakra. Bye. Nenye gidi belo kakra. Yeah.
Bibi kakra.
Everything kakra. Yeah. International. Asana minjina ebi send that me hear that kind of vibe in the thing. Na me minister. As I say be ya to me be any on that kind of bet.
Now to you one bibi be na hu be.
I all say you
one doctor na mo je pe. Ade me nu hu to.
If you say you be a unico. So it will be a unico. But that kind of vibe na maybe the team to me for you so near there.
So, role no more than in Halfring Films. How did you like that role? Were you being my friend?
When you every day say we be that same.
Okay, go.
It's a role. That role no nice. I think say almost share no more share doing say yeah really play the role come on.
Really doing well.
Yeah. But Nenye me rule no.
You don't like that?
Yeah. I say, me no. A massive cry old man so.
Yes, nothing no be.
Yeah, you want say
you move now or such a me come.
Daddy. Yes sir. A massive cry old man so. Inti. Maybe na me we feel say we aka boss and me show na say since already be show now wa pon ko ti ase na asim ka.
It's now show person ka share kasa.
I'm sure we bit so many come say na bit my yire ma.
Eh.
Yeah. I say one of them share I say.
But do share one be besi. You go pon share sims.
Daddy.
So one do share one be besi.
Daddy since do you one ya dey bit.
Why
they say
one for share man no me ko.
There is something can be no be ko me. We just say one share man.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Nanka, say thank you.
Yes, I mean, I want him to only one man.
Say, oh, now you're my friend. So,
And then go say girls. Say young for her. No good which.
I dare shame you say now I'm a friend.
And come here friend and go away.
Then next game out. We will be a because if you will be boy at me my baby Joe fala. Yeah.
And now me share about girls president.
Bibi say like I say they be
girls president so you na man.
They be offer we they be ojari offer we
for that girls president.
Bet me go.
Girls president.
Bet me go me can yes I'm too but see me moon na make us
okay.
Me this
yes I know.
Yeah. Must be the lie.
So, Roddy.
Yeah.
Who is your role model?
In the music in the
movie
industry.
Yes.
Okay, I'll say this guy Ray Emodi.
Ray Emodi, Nigeria actor.
Yeah.
Such a handsome boy.
Yeah.
Ray Emodi.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you are called Roddy, then Emodi.
So
you don't want to
like say in Tembia, I only DBS young. And say Ubi say Ubu.
So before your friends at home, everyone who come on seeing your friends on them very popping at things. What comment did they told you or give it to you after you acting this movie or see you on the social media?
Okay, then say Ghana had a one. I'm fine when they cancel.
They are bad and good then.
Good and bad. And she said, when I'm going to be a because okay, boy, you do it. We are the whole year because one year. You say, boy, you're never for, but Nina,
that's true.
The answer, I'll keep
pushing. Hey, bravo boy, my name is only me.
Oh, I didn't know what I
send your DM a movie in nature. So make 50 cities on it. Uncle Benny, I should do a job on the moon.
Yeah,
but yeah.
Or moving Yamino and a ties idea of her. Much more easy.
Okay. So, what advice are you going to tell the youth?
And they will catch me now. We are that kind of talent. Yeah. Cause when you push it hard, you cool. If you want to go to encourage just want to now the poor it will be a wow if you say what talent say or turn your movie so they will be keep pushing on that.
Okay. Before wasting much time, give shout out to 5 people you know.
Okay, I'll give the shout outs to my mom.
Your mom?
Yeah, first of all.
Okay.
And secondly, my dad.
Daddy.
Yeah. And the whole family.
Yeah.
And
who is your girlfriend?
Dabi, I didn't tell her. You could be an interview, could be a with themselves.
Yes, they have to act because you these teenage guys like the niggas. You cannot tell me like you're not having a girlfriend.
Now, you mean to me and can't you also say your girlfriend?
Okay, say something to your fiancé.
You mean to me to say your fiancé bit?
Say something to her.
Hey, okay, mom, I love you.
Hey, Roddy.
Okay.
What does that going to do now?
Oh no, they're going to say they will come. We'll say fiancé, I don't have fiancé.
Okay.
Girlfriend I don't have, so okay. Hey, my mom.
I don't talk much, as I always say. Thank you very much. But still wait for me, don't go out. I'll still take my money.
I can even give it to you here.
Right now?
Yeah.
We'll bring your phone. I would like to take the money. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you very much guys for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Half Frame Friends and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe and even add comment to it. because there are more to come, and this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.